Sense of touch, hard and soft objects. The way something feels is called a texture, and we feel the objects by touching it. See, this teddy bear is soft. Our skin helps us to feel. Do you want to know how? Wait, I will show you. What are these? These are ice cubes. And when you hold the ice cube, how do you feel? Ooh, it's cold. We feel cold when we touch the ice cube. In the same way, if we dip our fingers in hot water, I feel hot. This is hot. Do you know, Mr. Elfie? Other than hot and cold, we also feel hard, soft, rough and smooth. So come on, let's go and collect few of the objects and then see whether they are hard, soft, rough or smooth. I guess, Elfie, this will be a fun activity. Come on, let's go and quickly collect few of the objects. Over here, Mr. Elfie and his buddy is here. And let us see what all we have collected in this basket. Oh, what is this? This is a ball. Now let us see if this ball is hard or soft. So what we will do? We will press it. I am not able to press it. It's too hard. See, I am not able to press it. It's too hard. Now let us see our next object. What is this? This is a paint box. Now let us check if this is hard or soft. So what will I do? I will press it. I am not able to press this. This paint box is hard. Now wait, let me open it and take out one of the paint bottles. And let me see if this is hard or soft. So what will I do? I will press it. This is also hard because I am not able to squeeze it. Now let us see let's see what's next. Oh, this is heavy. What is this? This is a rock. And let us find out if this is hard or this is soft. So what will I do? I will try to press it. No, I am not able to press it or squeeze it. This is too hard. And I am even not able to bend it. I am not able to bend it nor squeeze it. Now let us see what's next. Oh, this is my piggy bank. Come on, let's see if this is hard or this is soft. What will I do? I will try to press it. No, I am not able to press it or squeeze it. This is also hard. My piggy bank is also hard. Now let's see what else I have. What is this? Do you know which vegetable is this? Mama makes this vegetable, right? What is this? This is a potato. And let me see if this is soft or this is hard. What will I do? I will try to press it and squeeze it. No, I am not able to press or squeeze it. This potato is hard. So children, anything which we cannot press or squeeze is considered as hard objects, like the table on which we study, the chair on which we sit, the walls of a room. All these are hard objects. We cannot press them nor squeeze them. Now, Mr. Elfie, let us see some of these soft objects. But what do you mean by soft objects? So soft objects are those objects that are not hard and we feel good when we touch it. If we feel this cotton, what do we feel? We feel good. It's very soft. Now let us see what is the difference between a hard and a soft object. So if I take this ball and try to feel it with my cheeks, I don't like this feeling. This is too hard. But if I take this soft cotton ball and try to feel it with my cheeks, I love it. This is really soft and fluffy. So now let's see what's next. This is a paintbrush and the tip of this paintbrush is soft. Do you want to feel it? You can feel it on your cheeks or on your hand. This feels soft. In the same way, Mama's makeup brush. This also feels soft. This also feels soft. This is not hard. This is really soft. So now let us see what's next. This is my pencil box and this is so hairy. You can see this. This is so hairy and this is soft. I can squeeze it. This is soft. Just like our hair. Touch your hair. It's soft. In the same way, this soft toy, this buddy, he is also very soft. I can squeeze him. This is soft. Mr. Elfie is also soft. So children, all those objects that are soft to touch and we feel good when we touch it is considered as soft objects. Just like the cushions or the pillows or your favorite blanket. Everything is soft. So today, what all we learned? We learned about hard and soft objects. Now everyone, you all go and collect few of the objects like I did and try to see whether they are hard or soft objects. See you next time. Bye.